this is a brand new oven, Whirlpool oven, and I will read you the model number here in a second. But at 350, my mom had two of these thermometers in here. They are not reading correctly. Neither one of them matches, but it was driving her crazy because it didn't seem like this was the right temperature. So I got my calibrated thermometer here, and I put it in there, and it ended up being 330 when this is 350. And we went online, and there's not any very clear, there's no clear videos on how this specific one, so a lot of videos say, you know, normally this would be in an off situation, but you would press and hold bake for 5 to 10 seconds and it will put it into a 0 mode where it's a calibration mode. It doesn't work on this, so holding bake does nothing. So what does work is if you turn it back to off, you hold set temp or the temp button, both of them at the same time, and then it'll put it into the 0 mode. And if you do it again, it'll go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we took it up 20 degrees. We're going to go another 5. But you just do that, and then you press start, and now it raises its normal temperature from what it was. So it was assuming 350. 330 was actually 350. So we brought it up now. So it's cheating itself 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So now it should be 350. And I'm going to start this up again. We'll do 350, and I'll show you. It does fluctuate about 10 degrees when it kicks on. And you can hear when it kicks on, it'll make a little click. And then you'll be able to watch the temperature here. I'll show you that in a second. All right, so this just completed its initial start cycle. And, you know, it was slightly over that because it was heating and heating and heating. But that clicked on 350. This was at 361. It's coming down. Shortly, we'll hear the click where it turns it back on. We want to maintain somewhere around 350. So, all right, now it just clicked, so it's going to start heating again. So it should be somewhere between 345 and 355 as the heat cycle goes up and down. I believe it's somewhere around 10 degree swing. So now it's heating again. So we should be close to 350 all of the time by doing that. This is the model number right here. It is the RE218. Oh no, sorry. It is a WFGS5030RS0. Hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel, and because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.